Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of digital art with artificial intelligence. If you're interested in creating stunning artwork using powerful tools like Midjourney, DALL 3, and Stable Diffusion, this course is perfect for you. In this course, I'll show you how to create amazing images using these AI tools and take your artistic skills to the next level. You can follow this step-by-step course to create your own unique and breathtaking artwork. So, join us in this video and let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of digital art. This course has nearly 2,000 students and holds an impressive 4.8 rating. The course price is approximately €45. However, I'm offering this course to you 100% for free, with no cost at all. Plus, by the end of the course, you will receive an official certificate of completion. To get started, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After that, click on the relevant link to visit the desired page. Make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. If you wish to enroll in other Udemy courses, you can legally and for free explore other sections of the gotodiscounts.com website and browse through various categories. In the page that opens, the courses related to the category we selected will be displayed, including the course we're looking for. Simply click on the course link to be directed to its page. Once the course page opens, you will have access to information such as special discounts and the course expiration date. Paying attention to the expiration date is crucial to take advantage of the discount. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course 100% for free through gotodiscounts.com instead of paying the regular price of €45. However, this discount is not permanent and will only be available for the next 4 days. So, hurry up and grab it before the offer expires. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for your support.